Good afternoon, Smriti.
Good afternoon, Varsha. How are you?
I'm doing well. Thank you for asking. And how about you?
I'm also doing great. Thanks for asking.
Okay, so Smriti, we are meeting first time. So would you introduce yourself?
Yes, I would love to introduce myself. So, as you know, my name is Smriti Saroop. I live in Gurugram. I hold a bachelor's degree in art. I am happily married and blessed with two wonderful children. I am a homemaker as well as a YouTuber running two channels. The first is Nirmal Vidya Sahaj Yoga Meditation channel. I share meditation content there. And the second is Pure Knowledge for English beginners, aimed at English beginners. As far as my hobbies go, I love working on both of my channels. So this is me in a nutshell. Thanks for listening.
Yeah, wow, that's great. That's amazing, your introduction. And love to know about you. So let me introduce myself, Smriti. My name is Varsha, and I hail from the snowy and scenic beauty of Himachal Pradesh, but currently reside in Punjab with my family. And being a language enthusiast, I've started my YouTube channel focused on English conversational videos. Yeah, that's little about me.
Wow. It's really great to know about yourself too.
Yeah. So, Smriti, as you told me that you have another channel about meditation. So, tell me something about meditation. Have you taken any degree of that? And when did you start this thing?
Actually, my family and I are practitioners of Sahaj Yoga meditation, and we have been practicing since 2003, and we benefited tremendously. So that's why I wanted to shared it with all. So that's why I created that channel, and we all can learn about Sahaj Yoga. It is available on every online platform like Google, Instagram, and YouTube. It is completely and absolutely free. We no need to join any kind of courses. We no need to do any kind of rituals or exercises. We can very easily learn in just 10 minutes. And first step of learning is this: we have to find our self realization. And for that, we can find our self realization. We can go to Sahaj Yoga centers for that. We can find our self realization on Google too, everywhere. And if somebody is interested, they can visit to my channel also. And I converse there in Hindi, and I uploaded lots of videos especially for beginners. And when somebody wants to know about themselves, so first of all they have to get their self realization or atma sakshatkar. So one can just watch how we can get our self realization और अपना आत्म साक्षात्कार कैसे प्राप्त करें. And after that we can just practice at our home only. And for that I have uploaded a channel, video, रोज सुबह शाम सहज योग ध्यान किस प्रकार करें. So
Uh,
just like that. Yeah. Mm.
Awesome. That's outstanding. I can say that, like whenever you are learning yoga, that how to do yoga. So every day there are so many channels, so you can learn from there. But when it comes to learn meditation, so I feel that is like difficult for me. That is also a daunting task for me learning meditation because we are not into it. Like how we can concentrate. Okay, so
Mm.
definitely it take time. At least you have to practice day by day over and over again. So in this way you can learn that meditation, but that is not an overnight process that you can learn meditation. But that's great. Definitely I will visit your channel, and you have given me knowledgeable things, that how we can learn. And Sahaj Yoga, definitely our viewers will also visit on their channel and they will learn how to meditate, because like meditation is the best. I don't know that I'm telling right things, because you are doing meditation. so you know more about these things, so you can explain it that okay, if you are meditating every day, so how you can take benefit from there, not only for yourself but also for others as well.
Yes, yes. Yeah. Uh, as I told you earlier too, there are countless benefits of Sahaj Yoga meditation, but some benefits includes like we can find our inner peace, stress relief, emotional balance, and improve physical health. And if someone has some kind of addiction, so they can got their they can got their freedom for that addictions. And as well as we can find our spiritual growth. So there are multiple benefits of Sahaj Yoga meditation. And why I created, one of the reason also behind that, that there are lots of confusion about means meditation. Everyone just think that it is really a daunting task. It is really difficult task, and we have to focus. We have to do lots of our time. Then only we can learn meditation. But when I got to know about Sahaj Yoga, so I will tell you that it is, as the name suggests, it is so easy, spontaneous. We just have that desire that we have to meditate. We have to meditate. That's it. We have to then we can learn how to meditate. And it takes just 10 minutes after getting your self realization. It is a specific process. By that we can learn that how we can meditate. They will that I also uh, instructed there some asanas, some hand gestures, like that we can just learn how we can meditate by Sahaj Yoga way. And then after that, we can give just 5 to 10 minutes in the morning and in the evening, and we can meditate very easily. And what is meditation actually, Varsha? Meditation is silencing yourself, silencing your thoughts. If we are in inner silence, or if we are in thoughtlessness, then only we are meditating. Otherwise, if there are lots of thoughts in our mind that bombarding ourselves, so we are not in meditation. If we are doing different kinds of exercise, or different kind of ritual, then too we can't find that. And that's why I always suggest to everyone that please try to know about Sahaj Yoga, and then you can know what is the true meditation. And it is completely free, so we can very easily can try. And we don't have to do lots of time also, because time also very precious these days. We can't waste our time. If it is if something free, then too we can't waste our time. So then we can at least give 10 minutes, and we can get to know about Sahaj Yoga meditation.
Yeah, that's amazing. You know, Smriti, when you are speaking, so I can see that peace in your face. Like, okay, your voice in a slow motion, you are speaking. That everything is like reflecting in your voice, in your face. That okay, definitely it will work for all of us, because I like eagerly I want to do this, but I am not into it. Like how to do it. Sometimes okay, whenever I am trying to do meditation, so like there are so many ideas in my minds, and it is like it is okay that, like, you know, sometimes we need for sit silently and we think about ourselves, what we are doing and how we can do further. And so this is important for me, but I don't know how to do it. So now you told me, so definitely I will go through it and I will practice. Definitely I will practice, and I really want to do it. And apart from that, Smriti, so tell me about your English journey. Like you were doing yoga, you were doing meditation, and when did you think about learning English, and how did you start your channel?
Okay, so 2 years ago, my daughter and I translated Shimataji's speeches from English to Hindi. And really, we found this work that was just because of Shimataji's, we can say, just because of her kripa only, we found that chance. And then later, I surrounded myself, immersed myself completely in this language because I remembered my desire to learn this language after this work. So then, after that, I watched lots of conversation videos, and then slowly and steadily, whatever little I learned, I wanted to share with all. So that's why on 10th November 2023, I created both of my channel on this day, and that's why. And I just thought that like by this language also, like we both are conversing the now, and I am telling you about Sahaj Yoga. So
Yes.
that idea flashed in my mind that by this language also I can uh, share about Sahaj Yoga also, and I also can upskill my this uh, mm, uh, uh,
Language.
what should I say, means English. So that's why I created my channel, and I am enjoying it really very
Yeah,
much.
like we are not learning uh, only the language, only the skill, but we are learning how to edit, how to make a thumbnail. So these are
Yeah,
the things. The biggest thing I can say that for being a homemaker, that we are doing these types of work at home, and we are able to talk to stranger every day. So this
yeah,
type of confidence we are building in ourselves, and because of this language, now we are confident that okay, we can speak with anyone. And the best thing is that if we are speaking, so our kids will also speak in English. So because nowadays it's need for speaking. So that's amazing. I have learned from you two things: that how did you start your journey with Sahaj Yoga and English. Wow, that's great.
yes, yes. It's really nice. And I also want to know about your English journey and about your inspiration. How did you start your channel?
Yeah,
How did
so
you create your channel?
yeah, I would like to share my story with you, Smriti. I have done my master in computer, but after getting married, I didn't do anything. But in 2021, there was a turning point because earlier I knew the value of English, but I was not into it like speaking. And in 2021, I joined a life coaching master course, and the at that time all the women were speaking in English, and I was unable to utter one sentence. And that was the turning point in my life, that okay, this is the right time that I have to learn this language. And then I took few sessions, and within 6 months I got my first job at home. That was online job at home, and I was earning, and I was like uh, I was on the moon, over the moon at that time, that okay, I was learning and I was earning because of this language. And
Mhm.
there was not exactly one inspiration, because everyone wants to speak in English. That was their childhood dream. But like a cherry on the top, it was like I was learning and I was earning. That was the main point for me. And
Mhm.
yeah, that was the starting point. And last year, one of my friends, she's also a YouTuber, she told me that you can start your YouTube channel, and then you will be consistent. Then I started, and that was the ecstatic moment for me, that okay, I was learning English, I was creating videos, uploading videos on my channel, and I was learning editing, how to make thumbnails, and these are the things. And yeah, it was and it is a superb experience for me.
Wow, it's really lovely. Great to know about your experiences also. Yes.
Yeah, this language gave me so many things, I can say that.
Yes, so true. It is a universal language, and it is really important to learn this language,
Yes, true.
this era,
Demand,
especially. Mm,
demand of this, we can say that.
yes, yes. So we have covered our time. If you want to ask something else, so we can converse.
Okay, but nice to talk to you, Smriti. And I love to talk about the Sahaja Yoga, and definitely I'll do it. And I'll share with my family members and my relatives as well, that they can also start doing this. And definitely it works. It will work for all of them.
Yeah, yeah, it's really nice connecting with you today, and definitely we'll connect again in the future.
We'll discuss over there a different topic.
Yes, definitely.
Okay,
We'll discuss. Bye bye.